it's Vanessa. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know about you guys, but I know for me, after kind of the Christmas break, the Christmas holidays, I'm on reading week currently, but my entire room, my apartment, everything kind of gets out of whack, gets out of place. So I thought it would be fun to kind of just clean everything up, organize. I'm gonna do like a deep clean. I think clean more than organize. Things need to just be dusted, washed, all that good stuff. So today is kind of like a clean and organize with me. We're gonna do almost every room in my apartment, I think, because it just needs to be cleaned. And yeah, it's just gonna be a fun kind of clean with me, clean vlog. Yeah, so let's just get started. I'm gonna start with the kitchen. It's actually not like ridiculously bad right now. It's seen better days, but it's also seen worse days. I just made myself a matcha, so we're ready to go with my drink. I'm gonna put on some tunes and we are going to first clean up all of this, and then I'm going to actually take everything out of my fridge and I'm gonna wipe down all of these trays. Curiosity, if you don't have a dishwasher like me and you wash dishes by hand and you use one of these things to wash your dishes, do you wash it with the green side or with the yellow side? Just putting it out there. I use both depending on what type of dish it is. So I'm gonna be cleaning the stovetop, the sink, all of the surfaces now, and this is just vinegar and water because I don't really like using super harsh chemicals or anything on my surfaces. We like being eco-friendly, and also just because I'm in a science stream, like we learned about antibacterial stuff and how like that actually creates more bacterial and resistant strains of bacteria, and it just really freaked me out. So now we're using natural cleaners because yay. So I'm gonna clean that and then we'll get to the fridge and then we'll do the rest of my apartment. The kettle, so I'm gonna pour the hot water down the sink before I spray it with some of this stuff. Okay, so that looks a whole lot better to me. So now we're gonna move on to the fridge. I'm now going to tackle cleaning kind of the glass of my shower. I'm just using this bathroom cleaner again with paper towel. And I did clean the toilet. I just didn't put that on camera because I'm sure you guys don't really want to see that. I don't really want to see that, so we're gonna tackle cleaning my shower. The bathroom's all done. I'm gonna be dusting. I have a micro cloth somewhere that I gotta go find, but just all my surfaces, and then I'm gonna move on to probably my bedroom or office and start cleaning stuff in there. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with my pumpkin for the other 11 months of the year, so it just stays here. Of the day is my office, which has turned into my disaster room, and I call it that because literally anything that I haven't had a place for I stick in here, and I've been wanting to clean it up and get it reorganized so that I can decorate it and finally have my apartment reno video up for you guys because everything else is done. So I'm gonna kind of try and go through stuff and make like get rid of pile, find a place for pile, and we're gonna try and figure it out. So this space is all cleaned up now. If you guys are wondering where I was putting stuff, I have a big closet here. So I was just trying to find some places for some of the things that were there. But we're gonna tackle this desk now. It's not too bad. It's mostly just like receipts and stuff that I need to put in my file. But yeah, I'm not really gonna do anything with the clothing rack for now. It's just gonna stay there because I have nowhere to put it at the moment and the clothes on it are fine. So just deal with the desk now. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little organize and clean with me. I have lots more videos coming up soon that are more interesting than a clean with me, I promise. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye!